Big Blobfish 8 here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan slime. The reason I'm making vegan slime is because that glue has that animal in it, so I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan slime. So let's get started. Well, actually, first I'm going to show you what the slime's supposed to look like after. This is what it's supposed to look like. And I'm using lotion in it to make it soft, so let's get started. First we're going to be needing your container. Then you're going to be needing face mask. You're just going to want to add your face mask in. I have hardly any left. Okay, that looks like enough. Next, you're going to be wanting your glitter, and I'm going to add all this glitter in. So it's going to take a while. I'm so quiet. I'm sorry, I'm so quiet. Okay. I'm just trying to add all this glitter in that I have to make it pretty. And then the last is red. Okay, that's all the glitter you're going to want to put in. Oops. Okay, now you're just going to want to mix that up. Okay, done mixing all the glitter together. Okay, now you're just going to want to add some baking soda in. Now, don't add too much. I think that much is fine. Now you're just going to want to mix it, and you're going to notice it getting thicker already. Okay, I'm being very quiet for some reason. Okay, now it's thick enough. Okay, now you're gonna have last is your contact solution. So what is face mask, baking soda, then contact lens solution you add. I would recommend you only add 1 drop. I just added 3 drops accidentally, so I didn't mean to do that. Now you're just gonna mix it. I'm gonna add a little bit more baking soda because I think I need more baking soda. I just poured too much into my hand. Okay. Now I'm just gonna mix it. Yeah, now it should be coming together more. I'm just going to add more of this. There. Now it's coming together. Okay, once you see it getting like this, you're just going to want to grab it, face this way. You're just going to want to grab it, even though it's going to be sticky, you're just going to want to start mixing it around. And it will start turning into slime slowly. pretty black. I made a mess. Well, it's getting more like slime now. I like this slime because it's like a galaxy, so I call it galaxy slime.
Oh.
So I'm just going to keep mixing this. Okay, it seems good now. This is how the slime turned out. This is how the slime turned out. This is how the slime turned out. Okay. So now you're just going to want to put your slime. Now you're just going to want to put their slime into your container for what's left and grab all of the rest of it. And it should pick up all of the slime from the sides. Okay, so this is how it turned out like this. My galaxy slime turned out like this. I made a big mess right here. Let's see. Now I'm going to be doing this. A satisfying slime clip really quick. And here's how it's... Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing a satisfying... Okay guys, I forgot to say that in the face mask you need to put polyvinyl alcohol in it. You need to have polyvinyl alcohol in the face mask that you make the slime with. Okay, that's all I needed to say. Now let's get back to the satisfying slime clip. First let's film this. Just to let you know, it has polyvinyl alcohol right there.